Hey gang, what's up? How you guys doing? So welcome to a brand new video. So right now I'm going to share with you ranges and volume into the market. So as you can see here on the chart, we have an higher highs and higher lows into the market, right? And right now we need to identify first the support and resistance level. So from the low, we gonna mark this as my support, and after the resistance formed there, you're gonna mark this up as your resistance. Now you have, I'd say, range one, right? This is gonna be your range one. And if the price move up here, because we know that we are moving up from the lows kind of high and making a new low, and price break out of the resistance level, now it's going up to the range 2 here. Now, where's the range 2? Is here, right? And it's the same thing how this market structure looks like from the low and the high and the low and the high. And from here, right? If the price still move up, your next range is going to be the range 3, right? Range 3 breakout here. But what happened here in the price here, as you can see in the market structure, now you have range 1, okay, range 2, and then the price moved down, right? The candles, I'd say the structure moved down. And now you have this kind of resistance. Now you have resistance form there. Okay, your resistance form. Now this kind of be your range 1 again. Range 1 to push down, because now you create a high, okay? High, and then make a low. Now this structure didn't push up, didn't push through. So right now, as you can see, as I'd say, we have price move down. And this gonna be your range 1, and I'd say this gonna be the range 2 after you break out this range, right? And if I'd say if this price still move down here, right, you have the range 3 breakout, right? I'd say after retrace one more time and then push down. This is gonna be the range 1, range 2, and range 3 breakout. So that's how you identify ranges into the market. You need to mark up your support and resistance level into the candles. Now we're going through um the price. I'd say we're going to the candles, how we identify the support resistance level and market structure using the candlestick. Okay, so first, um, I'd say we have move here in the past. As you can see, this is gonna be the resistance level, right? We have resistance there, and we have kind of support down here. So technically, this is gonna be your range 1, all right? Range 1, and the price still moved down, right? The price moved down here. This kind of be after the support. It's gonna be your range 2, right? It's gonna be your range 2 now. And after that, as you can see, the price push up heavy, right? So after this kind of move, like moving to the downside, as you can see, there is support that being respected on price here, right? So you have now, after you create a range here, now you have a new range, right? So this is gonna be your say resistance after you create a new support, range 1. Okay, this is gonna be the range 1, and the price still breaking out the range. Now this kind of the low, kind of high, okay, kind of low, and then you see the breakout here. It's gonna be your range 2, right? And as you can see here on price, you have resistance level that you have on the past here. And what will happen here on price here, as you can see, still moving up, this kind of your range 3 breakout now, right? So how you guys understand here by marking support and resistance level on price. Okay, so the next one is the volume. So you always need to understand the volume. What time? First things first, you need to understand sessions. Which sessions are you currently into the market? Let's say you are in the Asian session, right? Asian session, let's say, yeah, you are currently in the Asian session. So when the Asian session start, there is always a volume into the market. Okay. And what's the next session? What's the next session is London session, right? Session is London. London is you need to understand the same thing how you understand the volume into Asian session, then London session is the same thing, right? When the markets open, you're gonna see some volume into the market, and then the next session is gonna be the NY session, right? The same, right? NY session. So it's all about understanding the open of the market. When the market's open, you will see move, right? And then if you wanna find a range one, range two, finding that by support and resistance level. All right. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you guys and see you guys on the next video. Peace out.